I'm Val Taylor, and thank you for taking time out of your busy day to stop by and see me. I wanted to tell you who this channel is for and who it is not for. I am not a chef, and there are enough cooking channels, food shows, great chefs, great cooking shows, great home chefs out there showing you recipes. That is not what this channel is about. Of course, you will ultimately get some recipes, but this channel is about teaching you the basics of cooking. I believe that that's where everything is getting lost online, that people don't know the basic skills and tools and safety and things that they need to practice in the kitchen in order to cook good food. I also believe that if you get the basics down, baby, you can cook anything you want. So join me, subscribe here, and join me and follow me along this journey. This journey was built for me, my family, my children's children. But when I'm long gone, my family will still have a place to come and learn the basics of cooking. And I hope you subscribe so you can too. Thank you for joining.